The finals, MPIC Printing versus Warehouse Diamond Star, kung saan first quarter naging dikita ng laban, naging mainitan ng laban. Second and third quarter kung saan naging dominante ang MPIC Printing, nakuha nila ang kalamangan. Hindi pa rin nagpatilag ang ating mga tito ng Diamond Star Warehouse. Third quarter period kung saan namayagpag ang MPIC Printing para makuha nila ang kalamangan. Never say die attitude pa rin ang pinakita natin.
Basket count, may kasama bang foul? Yan, bonus shot. Shot dito. Yan, 79-66. Yan, basket. Yan, 12 na lang po ang kalamangan. 79-67. Yan, Balumar. 2 points. Jingkong. Yan, Sammy Boy. Yan, 15 to shoot. Yan, Alhambra. Halago. Yan, 5 minutes and 29 seconds. Fourth and final quarter. Short. Rakin, basket count. Yan, bonus shot, Rakin. Dionis, fourth personal foul. Two points. Yan, siyam na lang po kalamangan. Yan, same ball. Single digit na lang po kalamangan ng MPIC Printing. 82-73. Yan, inbound. John Ross. Halago. Short. Yan, Chigong. Baldumar. Yan, gamit oras. Yan, Ranes. Yan, Alhambra. Yan, 5 to shoot. Yan, 24 seconds shot clock. Yan, Michi Boy. Yan, stop and bump. 2 points. Michi Boy. Yan, 7 points lead. Yan, Romel. Yan, Jingkong. Pinasa Briones, malakas. Wala pa rin. Yan, may foul. Traveling violation. 7 na lang po ang kalamangan ng MPIC Printing. From 15 down to 7. Ranes sa 3. Wala. Yan, nakuha. Nice pass. Malakas. Check ang bola. Wala. Good ball. Yan, jump ball. Yan, empleo. Yan, Romel, nakawala. Ganda naman. Traveling violation. Yan, De Los Santos. Yan, Michi Boy. 2 points. 5 na lang po kalamangan. Yan, 5 points lead. MPIC only. May foul, Halago. Yan, 2 shots. Erranga. Wala. Yan, second try. Wala pa rin ako. Okay, men. Wala pa rin. Yan, Eugenio. Halago. Check. Yo, kome. Erranga. Out of bounds. Yan, 5 na lang po ang kalamangan. Yan, nakabelo. Foul. Basket. Yan, 4 na lang po. From 15 down to 4. Yan, 3 na lang po kalamangan ng MPIC Printing. Yan, Romel. Wala, short. Alhambra. Wala. Yan ako, Rakin. Check. Nasa ball. Ya, Halago. Ya, Rakin. Nice defense. Huli. Wala. Agawan. Yan, Aqua. Alhambra. Yan, last 2 minutes. Yan, medyo na hindi natin alam na sprain. Yan, Flores. Yan, 15 to shoot. Yan, Jingong. Yan, 10 to shoot. Briones. Wala. Anawa, John Ross. Check. May foul. Penalty. Yan, sablay. Unang tira. Yan, last throw. John Ross. Wala. Bola ng ano. Yeah, 1 minute and 24 seconds. Yan, Flores. Yan, trapping defense. Yeah, offensive foul, Baldumar. 1 minute and 19 seconds. Yeah, Eugenio. Mabigat yun. All 82. 3-point Halago. All 82. Baldumar. Check ang bola. All 82. Bola lang. May foul. Delikado. Basket. Yan, lamang na po ng isa. Ang Warehouse Diamond Star. Lamang na po ng isa. Ang Warehouse Diamond Star. short. Inbound. Check! Eugenio! 2 balls, Eugenio! Laman na po ng tatlo. Ang Warehouse Diamond Star. Check! Agawan! Yan, nawa, Alhambra. Briones. Wala. Yan, 19 seconds. Bumaliktad. Grabe. Basket. Pandiin. Last throw. Ya, Rales. Wala. 10 seconds. Wala. Yan, 5 po ang kalabangan. 87, 82. 8 seconds. Sarang buwang Diamond Star. Basket. Pandiin. 88, 82. Yeah, 8 seconds. Yan. Score. 88, 82. Silver Star Basketball League Season 2 champion. Warehouse Diamond Star. Congratulations.